Okay, welcome. I'm already here in El Nido and I'm at Las Cabañas Beach Resort. Now, we're supposed to have our tour C supposedly today, but there's still a gale warning. Apparently there's been a gale warning for, I think, nearly 2 weeks now here in El Nido. So all the tours have been cancelled just to be sure that all the guests are safe. But there are a lot of things to do, and one of which is go here at Las Cabañas Beach Resort. There's actually a huge shoreline, and as you can see here, there's actually a zip line that's from this mountain to the other side. There's actually someone that's going to zip line. You would be able to see them. See? They're going to zip line all through this island, and then they have to go back the same way. So that's pretty much that. Good thing about here is it is very chill. You can swim on the beach, but as of the moment, I think it is low tide. So that's why the shoreline is quite longer. But you can pretty much chill, just do a bit of sunbathing. I would want you to see Las Cabañas Beach Resort as well. I'll just flip the camera so you'll be able to see. Alright, so it's me again. So if you noticed, the background and the view is really, really nice, guys. The water, the color is also very, very nice. But then again, the breeze is very enticing. To be honest with you, this is, the time is actually nearly 12 o'clock noon. It's not extremely hot, but you can pretty much just lounge at the beach and at the sun, because it's not a scorching hot where you just really need to go in the shade. No, a bit of sun is fine here. It's quite cloudy actually, but you can feel a bit of the heat of the sun, but very, very manageable, very nice. And then perhaps